How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove your cabin air filter for your 2026 Ford Maverick. Quite simple. So first things first, you're going to want to pop this open. You're going to want to remove anything that's inside your glove compartment. One thing you got to take note of is these tabs that are on both sides. So what you're going to want to do is slightly push until you get off of those tabs, and then you're going to push in from the outside to drop that. So I'm going to do that real quick. So I'm going to try to do this with one hand. So you're going to come back behind and show you an example. You'll push that forward and then pull down. I'm going to do that on the other side as well. You're going to want to be gentle. You don't want to break those tabs. So I'm going to come from both sides, lift off slightly, and then drop the glove compartment. This is why you're going to want to empty out the compartment, because you do got to tilt it down. If you tilt it down far enough, it will come out. You can just place it down, and this is where you will get into the housing. Sorry for the shaking, but we have tabs on both sides. So these tabs you're going to want to push out. Be very gentle. You can break them. On some models, not all this year for some reason, there is a Phillips screwdriver that would be right here, and then there will be one right there. So again, for some reason this year did not come with any screws, but you just push the tabs out. Again, be very gentle, because those will break if you're too rough with them. So pop that out, and then we're going to come out with this side, try to show you a better view. Push that out, pull forward, and there's your cabin filter. You're going to pull that out and then put the new one back in. It's quite simple. You're going to make sure that you align it, push until this comes back over. I'm going to try to catch it on this side as well. Sorry that is a little shaky, but then you can snap that back in place. And coming back together with the cabin filter, the glove box is not tricky, but you just got to pay attention. You're going to come from the bottom and hook it into these 3 tabs right there. Hook that into place, and then gently push back in, and you're good to go. And everything's back where it needs to be. Make sure your tabs are in place. You should be good to go. I hope this helped. If it does, please leave a like. That'll help a whole lot. You have a good one.